Hi, in this video we will learn how to save a MS Excel file. To open MS Excel file, click on Start button. It displays the list of applications installed in your computer. Browse for the MS Office application software. Click on MS Office. Click on Microsoft Office Excel 2007 application. It opens Excel application. By default, it displays Book 1 as the Excel file name on the title bar, and also it creates three sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 in this book 1. Type the data. Now I want to type the student information, name, column and mobile number. Type the data. After typing the data, to store this information or Excel file in your computer, click on Office button. This top left corner of this window you will find the Office button. Click on this Office button. It displays list of options. In this, click on Save button. After clicking Save button, it displays Save As dialog box. In the Save As dialog box, if you observe, in the top you find the address of the folder. By default, the files are saved in the Documents folder. This PC Documents folder. In the left side pane, it displays the important files in your computer folders. This PC, 3D objects, desktop, documents folder, downloads folder, music, pictures, videos folder. Now I would like to save this file on the desktop, so I am clicking on the desktop. Immediately in the address bar of the Save As dialog box, the address is changed. This PC desktop. Now presently, whatever the files and folders are there on the desktop, that will be displayed in this right pane of this Save As dialog box. The address is indicating this PC desktop, the present location, whatever the files you are going to save, that will be saved in this desktop folder on the desktop. This is the address. After setting the address of the folder, then give the file name. I am giving the file name as student data as my file name, the file name as student data, save type as Excel workbook, the location I am going to save on the desktop of this computer. After giving the file name, setting the location of that file, click on the save button. The file Excel file, the student data is saved on the desktop. If you observe that the file title bar, then the name of the file name which was given in the Save As dialog box is displayed on the title bar. Student data hyphen Microsoft Excel. The data I entered, name of the students and mobile numbers. Now close this file. Whether the file is saved on the desktop or not, we will check. Yes, the student data Excel file is saved on the desktop. I'm opening this file. I'm checking whether the data is saved or not. Yes, the data is saved in this file. This is the procedure to save the MS Excel file on the desktop. Okay, thank you.